Hi everyone, today we'll solve Hackerrank's Weather Observation Station 17 challenge. We've got a table, named station with columns like ID, city, state, northern latitude and western longitude. We find the western longitude where the smallest northern latitude in station is greater than 38.7780 and rounded to 4 decimals. For this we use min and round function. Also we should use subquery and filter out values greater than 38.7780. Finally, we round the result to 4 decimals. Let's run code and look result. Results seem correct. Thank for watching video.